Hello guys, welcome to Line Table Screen Printing. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a registration mark for your t-shirt design using Illustrator. And this will be perfect for beginners who wants to learn how to make your own. Or you can use the printing mark option on the Photoshop where you can put a registration mark without any procedures. Just check these options. But sometimes it will not very helpful when it comes in t-shirt printing. So I'm going to teach you the easy and fastest way how to make one. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, this is the example of registration marks for those who are a beginner or who wants to print your design on the t-shirt using silk screen printing. This will be very important. When you print your design on the acetate or print positive, you need a registration mark. If we don't have this on a film positive, it will be so difficult to align the design, especially if the design have too many colors. We cannot align those without registration marks. So we need this. So how to make a registration marks using Illustrator. First, open your Illustrator and create new document. Then set your width and height to 10 inches. Then don't forget to change your raster effects or PPI to 300. Then click create. Then select the rectangle tool. Then let's remove the fill by pressing the slash on the keyboard or just click this none. Then just click on the artboard to appear this option, then change it to 8 inches both width and height, then click OK. Then let's put it on the center by using the align menu. Then go to edit, copy or Ctrl C in your keyboard for shortcut, then again to edit, then click the paste in front. Then change the size to 7 inches both width and height on the control menu. Or maybe 6 inches. There you go. Then select the ellipse tool. If you will try to hover your mouse on the object, you will see some smart guides. This will help to determine if the mouse cursor is on the center or intersect, or etc. We're going to use these features. Press the Alt Shift, then hover the cursor on the center. Then if the smart guide center appear, click and drag it. You can see the circle is already on the center and we don't need to align it anymore. So this is one of the advantage of using smart guides. If you don't see any smart guides, just go to view, then smart guides or Control U. Next, select the line segment tool. Again, if you hover your cursor on the object, you will see the smart guide like this intersect. So we will know that we are on the center of our object. Then click while pressing the shift key, then drag it all the way on the bottom, just like this. Same on the vertical line. Let's remove the square objects because we don't need anymore. Select these two square objects, then press the delete key on the keyboard. After that, select all the objects, then let's change the stroke size to 2 points. Let's add some more on the circle by 3 points, so that will be 5. I think let's add one more point. That's much better. Then again go to edit, then copy, then paste it in front while the circle object is selected. Press and hold again the Alt Shift, then click and drag it down to make the circle smaller. After that, let's remove the stroke, but first let's swap the fill into stroke by clicking this, or just press the X on the keyboard. Then click the none or the slash on the keyboard. Then press X to swap it again. Then click this to fill the color, or just click the open angle bracket on the keyboard for the shortcut key. Then after that, select the line objects, go to edit, copy it, then paste it in front. Change the size to 6 points. Go to Objects, then Expand. Just make sure this 2 is checked, then click OK. Then go to Shade Mode, then click this Unite. Add the circle on our selected object by pressing the Shift key and the circle object. Then after that, go to Shade Mode again, then select the minus front. Make the crossline object bigger by 3.5. And that's it, we have now a registration mark. To resize this, select all the objects, then press Ctrl G to group the objects. Then change the size on the control menu to 0.25, 0.35, 0.45, 0.75, 1, 1.25, and 1.50 inches. Now let's try this registration mark on an actual design. Let's example this design. The colors are already been separated and we just need to add our registration mark. To put our registration mark, we need a space on the design. To do that, go to Image, Canvas Size, then the relative mastic, and then set 1 inches on the height. Then click OK. Now that we have space, go to Illustrator and then drag the registration mark on the Photoshop like this. To arrange it properly, click the registration mark layer, then press the Ctrl A to select all, click the align left edges, copy the registration layer and paste, click the align horizontal center, then copy and paste, then click the align right edges. If you cannot drag it like I did earlier, just copy the registration mark on the Illustrator, then go to Photoshop, then paste it, then select the Smart Object, then click OK. And to arrange it, just do the same procedures. So that's it guys, I hope this video will help you. If you like our video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos about line type or screen printing. Thank you very much for watching.